Hello, welcome to our channel, Savory Thoughts, and today I am going to share with you not only a beautiful, delicious dish, but so easy to make, it also allows you time to enjoy with your family while making it. Our baked chicken and rice is very simple and easy to make. It doesn't require a whole lot, just a few simple ingredients, and you have a delicious meal. First, you start with a vegetable package. You can pick any type of vegetable you want. Then add the rice and make sure to stir it well to incorporate the rice and the vegetables together. Here's my favorite part. It does not require a whole lot to make it delicious. Cajun seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning. Combine all this goodness together and set it aside. For our meat, we are using the exact same seasonings, the Cajun and the lemon pepper seasonings. We chose the thighs, but you could use chicken breast or whatever type of cut of meat you like. Simply season it well. Now that our meat is well seasoned, we're just gonna sear it on medium-high heat on both sides. We are not going to cook it, simply searing it. Now that our meat has been seared, the juices are nicely locked in. Now let's go ahead and place it on top of our rice and vegetable mix. Cover it with a little bit of foil and let's bake this bad boy. Now remember in the beginning I said it allows you time to enjoy with your family. Now I get to watch my wife and kid have fun while our food is being cooked. And voila, you dance and then you get to eat. Simple, easy and fast baked chicken and rice recipe. Enjoy. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, ring the notification bell, leave us a comment, let us know how you pair it or what you've used, and please enjoy.